Hey guys, today I'm really excited because I just received this electric air duster for reviewing purposes, and I think that this one it's a really interesting one because it has some features, attachments that I think that it's great. We get the duster panel with all important information about it. It comes really well protected with this foam, and as you can see, this is the proper main unit. It has a button in the back and a trigger in the front, and these buttons you can take out the battery and change it whenever you want. Okay, turn it on, we just have to long press the button in the back, select the speed. You have three different speeds: a regular with light, okay, then the second speed it's this one, a little bit more powerful, so you said to clean off some stuff, or in the case that you need it, the third speed, which is the most powerful one. Okay, you can actually listen to it how strong it is, and in here you got a removable battery that shows you how much battery percentage you have, and charge them with a USB type C charging cable, which I think that it's great. Okay, you also get another battery in case that once runs out you can be charging one and have it ready, the USB A to type C charging cable, and some different adapters. You can change these nozzles. Okay, just twist it out like this and you can change it depending on what you need. What are you gonna clean? This one is like a flatter one. Okay, or you got this more elongated one, so for some harder to reach areas. No, depending on what you need, it's the one that you can choose to use, which I think that it's great. And we also get a cleaning set, which is a gift. Okay, which I think that it's nice having a cleaning set ready for use whenever you do stuff something. It's great. Okay, it comes with a really nice bag where you can storage all of the attachments that comes included. Okay, and you get a lanyard. Okay, you can place it right here like this and have it handy with you. I'm gonna place it right now. Okay, now it's ready, and you can close it upon your hand. Okay, like this, so it doesn't get lost or anything. And if you drop it, you have it ready. So I think that it's nice. It comes included, and we get a different selection of brushes. Okay, this one, okay, depending a subset of what you're gonna brush is the one that you're gonna use. And having these many different options, I think that it's great. Okay, for many different places where you need to take some trash, or even in here to brush off the motor if you need it. Okay, which I think that it's great. And these more little ones for any kind of detailing that you need to do, which I think that it's nice. Okay, so let's go ahead and test it out. I'm gonna do some dusting around the office to see how it works. Okay, let's go. It's great that it has a 3 adjustable speed settings, so that way you can adapt to a variety of cleaning tasks with ease and efficiency. And I think that it's perfect for cleaning electronics like your PC, any kind of keyboard, or even gaming console, as well as any kind of home task like a leaf blower, taking dust out of your car, even some snow in the windshield, which I think that it's great, and any kind of outdoors uses with different multiple backup air nozzles like pump up an air bed, manage a campfire. And I think that it's great because you can use it on multiple scenarios. And I think that it's nice that it has a really portable design, because it's almost the same of a cell phone, and you can use it with a lanyard to take it out with you, and it has many different attachments that comes included, which makes it perfect to use any kind of task that you want to use it. I think that it's great that it also comes with a backup battery, because that way you can never run out of it. Okay guys, after been testing it for a while, I think that it's really nice. They feel of an amazing quality, and as you can see, they have a really powerful motor, which I think that it's great. That way you can get all the specks of dust out of the way where you are using it. And overall, because it's nice size, I think that it's great that you come with a lanyard so you can take it in any case. I think that it's really nice, and I will really recommend it. See you guys.